Et du coup là, le chapitre 2, Samy, je sais ce qui va se passer et c'est incroyable. Je pense que c'est le chapitre qui va vous faire tellement rigoler quand on aura la vérité sur un truc. Par contre, je sais pas comment on fait pour avoir la vérité. Donc je peux jouer, mais je sais, je sais ce qui se passe.
I know who you are.
Ah bah c'est elle qu'on a tué.
Oh,
Vous l'avez tué elle?
Ouais.
Oh non.
J'ai envie
Ah, mais
tellement
il est pas
de
sauvé.
lancer le jeu pour la sauver, genre.
Je t'ai dit, dans Mobilier, tu m'as même pas écouté.
Non mais c'est bon, on a fait notre choix, c'est fini.
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
And you keep an eye on
La petite, on lui a toujours pas dit que ses
that
parents
front
étaient
door.
morts.
You're our
Enfin, qu'on
lookout.
pensait qu'ils étaient morts.
Scott,
Ah.
you got it.
Enfin, on n'est pas au courant
And
qu'elle est
I'm
morte,
Carly.
ses parents.
You'll shift in with Doug
Non, on
when
n'est
he
pas sûr
needs
qu'il
it.
soit mort,
You
mais
got
bon.
it, boss.
on a fait ça
Mais
avec
bon,
lui.
Atlanta, on sait très bien.
Ah, il est mort?
Non,
Non, non.
il s'est fait
Mais
sauver.
tu crois mort lui?
Lui, il nous a tués, il a voulu nous tuer.
Ouais.
Et là, mais voilà, mais moi c'est lui, j'aurais voulu le tuer seconde une.
Non,
il
non,
fallait
parce que Kenny c'est celui qui nous a sauvés.
Ah, pas lui, on l'a sauvé, et du coup, on a.
Et ah bah tu vas voir ce qui s'est passé.
Et les deux s'aimaient en plus, les deux qui allaient mourir.
Lui il nous a tapé, on a failli mourir, et c'est Kenny qui nous a sauvés.
Il nous a fermé la porte au nez. Alors que les zombies étaient rentrés.
Bon, on doit faire Bellec à sa fille, parce que le moins de trucs qui arrive à sa fille, on est dans la merde.
Et il y a Clémentine aussi.
Et,
Clémentine.
mais Clémentine c'est ma princesse.
Oui, mais je sais pas, il a dit qu'il voulait pas qu'il arrive un truc aussi.
T'inquiète pas, rien, personne ne va toucher. Rien va arriver à ma princesse.
Ok, elle est morte, elle est morte, elle est morte.
En association avec Skyborn Entertainment.
Trois mois plus tard.
Moi, tu montes le son un peu?
T'entends rien?
Pas de
Mais tu peux le monter toi, avec le...
Dans stream, il va filmer, attends, forcément son.
What'd they get this time?
Looks like a rabbit.
Un lapin.
Well, that's another meal lost.
C'est qui lui?
I still can't believe we went through all that commissary food in 3 months.
Mais t'es qui toi?
It seemed like so much at the time.
Maybe you shouldn't have opened the door.
Yeah, except then I'd probably be food by now. Trust me, I have no regrets.
Rabbit's hardly a meal, Mark, but I'd take it. We're all hungry.
C'est mort.
No kidding.
Ah, on est à la ferme avec eux.
Last night I heard your friend Doug laying in bed just naming types of pie. It was driving me nuts. I think he's starting to lose it.
Ah, non, par contre, on l'a sauvé qui devient pas...
Won't you cut him some slack?
Qui devient pas fou.
Alors, imaginez,
Yeah,
imaginez tous les quatre
you're right.
dans une situation comme ça.
I wish
Genre,
I
les
knew for
4 derniers
sure how much
survivants d'une
food
dans
we
une
had
zombie.
Ouais, on n'est pas 4 derniers survivants, mais... ouais, j'ai pas écouté. On s'en sortira.
Bon, parce que-
We'll manage.
ouais.
Maybe. You know, some people aren't too happy about the way Lily's handling rations.
Lily knows it's important to keep the adults fed and functioning. Sometimes that means someone's got to miss a meal.
You think Kenny's having any more luck than we are out here?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, between the lack of food and Kenny and Lily fighting all the time, things are getting pretty tense back at the motor inn. You know,
Ah,
Kenny's
moteur,
been
non, c'est
talking
bon.
about taking
On
off
n'est
if
pas à la
he can
ferme.
get that RV running.
Kenny nous abandonnera pas.
Kenny won't abandon us. He's a good man.
I guess we'll see. Can't blame him, though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal, anyway? Seems like he's got a problem with you in particular.
Il pense que je suis dangereux, c'est un vieux connard de raciste, il s'occupe seulement de sa fille, j'en ai aucune idée.
Il s'occupe seulement de sa fille.
Larry's just looking out for his daughter.
Hey, I know Lily. She can take care of herself. He needs to take that energy and put it towards finding us some more food. And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's all muscle. He's a walking pile driver. I know I wouldn't want to be stuck in a room with him. And didn't he punch you in the face one time?
Knock me flat.
Ça ne vaut pas le coup, je dis tire. Je dis quoi?
Bah, si tu veux de l'action, tu tires. Tu veux te faire chier, tire pas.
Tu peux le viser.
It's a long shot. I'd hate to waste the bullets.
Trust me, If I don't think I can hit it, I won't shoot.
Oh, c'est mort.
Shit! Was that Kenny?
I don't know. Come on.
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit! No, no! Please don't kill us! We just want to help our teacher. We'll leave, I swear!
Lee, you guys okay?
Get it off! Get it off! God damn it! Get it off me! Travis, maybe they can help!
These might be the same guys that raided our camp, and we barely got away from that.
What guys?
Donc déjà, il y a des fils de pute qui ont volé voilà, leurs ressources.
Why the fuck is there a bear trap?
On va pas te faire mal.
I don't know, man!
It's okay. We're not
On
gonna hurt
sympathise
you.
avec eux et après on
Don't
pose des
listen
questions.
to Ben. Please, just let us go. We're not a threat
Voilà
to
la
you.
sympathie.
Kid, chill out. We'll try to help you, but you gotta shut the fuck up.
Lee, this is fucked up. We've gotta help him.
Please,
Ben, shut up! My dad was special forces. I know what I'm doing.
just see if you can get him out. After that, you can leave us or whatever. I don't care. Please.
Pas notre problème, on essaye, il a été mordu.
We gotta get him out of there.
Ah merde.
Oh God, thank you.
Fine, but you gotta hurry.
Hurry, please, hurry.
Mais dis-toi, il y a un zombie, on l'abandonne, hein, c'est plus mon problème.
Lee, this trap's
Oui,
been
mais-
altered. There's no release latch.
Oh no.
Shit, walkers. It's now or never, Lee.
Please, get me out of this.
Mark, get the boys back. Kenny, keep those walkers off of me.
This can't be happening.
Damn it, this is bad.
La hache, hein.
There has to be a way out
Just
of
get me
this.
out
Ah,
of
on n'a pas
here.
le temps.
Something. Blood and screaming. We're gonna be surrounded any minute.
Please, get me out of.
Try to cut the chain!
Ça va faire mal, hein, mais.
I have to cut
Ah,
you.
mais la chaîne, on.
No, no, no. Try the trap again. Anything,
Let's
please.
go. Let's go.
Tu peux pas couper la chaîne?
Eh mon rêve.
Lee, it has to be now.
Ah.
Damn it, Lee just cut off his fucking leg.
We don't have time for that. I'm sorry, but we have to go now.
Ah, y être, fini le travail. Mais je peux plus courir.
Oh god!
Shit. Is he?
Ah, mais il est mort?
Mais on avait pas d'autre choix en fait.
Ah, mais il s'est évanoui.
If he's alive, grab him and let's go.
Behind you!
Travis!
Come on, we gotta move!
Ouais, on va devoir choisir Tay entre.
Ah, lui, il voulait pas de.
Mais lui il est con, lui, qu'est-ce qu'il fait là-bas?
Ouais, vraiment.
Vas-y, va te faire enculer, gros. Non, mais vas-y, non, non, c'est mérité qu'il aille se faire enculer, non, c'est mérité.
Il voulait pas nous faire confiance.
Mais non, mais t'as vu où il est? Le mec,
Ouais,
il était là-bas en train de se faire ça, en train de vomir. Bien, vomis pas, mon sang, tu vois pas.
Bonhomme, frère.
Ah, bonhomme, je sais pas. Bah, pas toi qui a découpé la jambe. Bonhomme. Là, on va les choquer par contre. On va revenir au camp en pensant avoir
Ah,
la
mais du coup, en
bouffe, on
fait,
va les choquer.
ça veut dire en fait, si jamais t'aurais choisi de pas couper la jambe, l'autre il aurait pas vomi, tu t'aurais sauvé l'autre. Mais du coup, lui il était mort.
Ah, mais j'avais pas. Ouais, bah. Vas-y, on a récupéré un handicapé dans notre équipe.
Mais t'as perdu un mec avec une mentalité de merde, qui voulait pas de nous à la base.
Ouais.
Tire pas, c'est nous, on revient, t'inquiète.
Mais pourquoi elle tire attends que le zombie soit collé aux barrières? Prends sa ganache à lui.
Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
Shit! What the hell are they doing?
Come on, come
Oh
on.
my god. What happened?
Oh, the
Who's
hell are
that?
these?
Don't have time to explain.
Shit.
Are you okay?
Get him into the truck. I'll see what I
T'as vu la gamine?
Fix 'em?
Jesus, Ken.
Lee.
C'est
I
déjà avec
don't
nous,
know.
on s'en bat les
Lee.
couilles de l'autre.
What the hell?
Salut,
You
si-
can't just be bringing new people here. What are you thinking?
Hey, you want to calm down for a fucking minute?
no, I don't. I want to know why you thought bringing more
a
mouths
laissé
to
l'autre
feed was
derrière.
a good idea.
We left the other one behind.
Other one? Jesus, Lee. What if there are more of them? What if they followed you
There
here?
wasn't anybody else, just us.
How do you know he's not lying?
Come on, Lily. These are people. People trying to survive just like us. We've got to stick together to survive.
The only reason you're here is because you had food. Enough for all of us. But that food is almost gone. We've got maybe a week's worth left. And I don't suppose you guys are carrying any groceries, are you?
No.
Fine, you guys fight it out then. Welcome to the family, kid.
Come over here and see what I drew.
What? No,
Just come on, okay?
You know, you like to think you're the leader of
Elle est
this
trop
little
intelligente la
group,
gamine.
but we can make our own goddamn decisions. This isn't your own personal dictatorship.
Hey, I didn't ask to lead this group. Everyone was happy to have me distributing the food when there was enough to go around, but now that it's running out, suddenly I'm a goddamn
Mais t'es qui est
Nazi.
le chef? Prends parti pour
You've got
personne.
nothing to say about that, Lee? You know, it might feel safe for you to sit on the fence, but sooner or later you're gonna have to decide whose side you're on.
I don't
see any of you stepping up to make the hard decisions. My girl's got more balls than all of you combined.
Toi, je vais te baiser, toi, par contre.
Why don't you go help Mark with the wall?
Toi, ça va te baiser, toi, ça va te mêler, tu vas voir.
Victime.
You think this is easy for me? Everyone's starting to hate me because I'm the one that rations the food, but nobody else wants to. You know what? I'm not doing it tonight. You do it. There's today's food rations, but there's not enough for everyone. Good luck.
Ok. Tu vas nous gérer? Vas-y, on va se gérer. Wesh,
Bah, déjà, il y en a une qui va Lily.
voilà, déjà, il y en a un truc qui part pour Clémentine.
Déjà, ah non, pas Lily, à Clémentine.
Voilà.
Il y en a même 3 qui devraient partir pour elle.
Déjà, le daron, là, hein, t'as ouvert ta bouche. T'as un problème
Le
au
daron,
cœur,
le
tu
daron,
stresses
il-
trop.
Le daron, il va se cambrer s'il en veut.
Et voilà, on va te mettre... Tu vas goûter ma bite, tu vois. Bon.
Donne une à Clémentine.
Et à Clémentine, ton truc le plus gourmand. Hein.
Ouais, là, tu la mets bien.
Quoi, ne commence pas à donner la demi-pomme. Hein.
You need something to eat.
Donne tout.
Attends. Un morceau de bœuf? Ouais, c'est une gamine, crackers et du fromage, elle. Morceau de bœuf, faut garder ça quand même à un mec, tu vois.
Et la pomme, je la garde à qui?
La moitié de la pomme. La daronne, elle est assez grosse. Kenny, il a pas faim. Je pense que Kenny, il préfère que son fils soit nourri. Lily. Je pense que la strat, c'est. On donne le morceau. On donne des crackers. On donne un morceau de bœuf à Clémentine. Non, même pas. On donne des crackers et du fromage à Clémentine. On donne le morceau de bœuf à qui? Qui peut recevoir
Il nous
le
faut
morceau?
manger, nous aussi.
Vas-y, on donne la moitié de pomme à Lily.
Okay, a Sunday would be better next time.
Oui, bon, Clémentine. Je t'aime bien, mais quand même.
Sois pas trop gourmande, s'il te plaît.
Duck is hungry too. Yeah, why don't we then get some food?
Non, toi, je m'en fous, toi.
Toi, va crever, toi.
Ah non, fais plaisir à Clémentine,
Attends, faut que je repasse mon jeu en anglais parce que. Wesh, le flash.
Et tu es obligé de l'écouter, frère.
Vas-y, on donne.
Hey,
Ça
Doc,
me fait chier que t'as
Grab
le
a little
truc.
food.
On donne à Duck?
Je pense. Hein.
Ah, on donne aussi des crackers à Duck.
Ouais.
Voilà, pas de jaloux.
Yeah! Oh man, I'm so hungry!
Ah, sa famille apprécie. Incroyable. À Lily, on va donner le morceau de bœuf. Ah non. À Marc, non? Donc Kenny, t'as pas
Marc.
faim. Marc, c'est le mec avec nous au fusil de chasse.
Oui.
Ou non, Doug!
How you doing, Clementine?
Okay.
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Bien sûr, bien sûr, bien sûr.
When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I find it, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay, Clem.
Sa casquette,
I've
je
gotta
veux la
take
retrouver
care
parce
of
que
some
sa casquette, c'est
things.
vraiment ce qui lui fait
Why
son
don't you go
charme.
back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
Non mais en mode bref, tu comprendras plus tard. Toi, t'as rien. Toi, Doug.
Will you hold the damn board steady?
I'm trying. I didn't realize I was getting this weak already.
What do you want? A handout? I got 60 cents in my pocket. If you'll shut up and quit being such a pansy.
On lui donne la bouffe
Devant le daron.
devant le daron. On lui donne la demi-pomme et à Lily on lui donne le steak.
Here, eat something.
Ouais.
Vas-y. Parce que tu veux donner à qui d'autre? Kenny?
Non, 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 c'est bon, son fils il a mangé, frère, il est content, il a dit.
Donnez une moitié de pomme à lui. Hein.
You got you an apple.
Wow. Thanks a lot. That's awesome.
Need any help with the wall?
Nope.
Actually, we could use your axe. Do you mind if we take it?
Yeah, give us that thing for a bit.
Suce maintenant le daron.
À Marc ou à Larry? Bah à Marc! Marc c'est à gauche, Larry c'est le gros fils de pute.
Je sens le piège. Genre, faut le donner au daron.
Mais le pied, on le donne à Larry, il va nous enculer. Tu vois pas, il veut nous tuer là?
Vas-y, donne à Marc.
Here, Mark, this should help.
Thanks.
Hey, I'm the one doing all the work over here. You didn't think to give me the axe?
T'es enculé toi.
Come on, Larry. Cut Lee some slack. He knows you're just out to protect Lily. He told me so. Just like he's trying to protect Clementine.
I just need some food. Going this long without a proper meal make anybody cranky.
Some of these people have gone longer than me without food. They're the ones that need it.
Lily. Lily, ça se voit, elle se donne pas de la nourriture, elle donne de la nourriture à tout le monde. Doug, je t'aime bien, mais voilà. Ah, mais Lily, je peux pas lui donner? Est-ce qu'on lui donnerait pas
Là, tu il reste que le daron.
Ouais, Doug c'est pas content.
Mais Doug, il dira rien, c'est une victime.
Ouais, Doug, on a sauvé sa vie, vas-y.
Le daron, comme ça, il sera content et sa fille aussi.
Ah, mais. Ah non, elle est là!
À la fin de frappe.
À la fin de frappe de baiser. Non?
Here.
I don't want anything from you.
Pense ça quand même.
Take it anyway. You need to eat.
This doesn't change anything.
Il commence pas à prendre la confiance par contre.
Not such an easy job, is it?
On s'en bat les couilles de ta
I
vie.
don't envy you. I don't know how you have the strength to do this every day.
I don't have a choice.
Lee.
Kenny, I know I ran out of food before.
Hey, it was a tough choice, but you took care of the kids. That's what a real
Voilà,
man
c'était sûr.
does.
Thanks, Kenny.
C'est sûr, il va être content lui.
Still, I guess some people aren't going to be happy with your choices.
You're out! What happened to my food?
Oh, mais il casse les couilles lui.
You keep treating people like this, and your days in this group are numbered.
You're one to talk, old man.
Yeah? Well, I don't see you working on that wall.
Ken, Lee, come here, please.
He didn't make it, did he?
He lost too much blood.
God damn it. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Ken, come back. There's nothing...
Let him go, Katja.
But
He just needs time. It's been a rough morning.
that man you brought, I tried, but he was never going to survive.
Well, at least he's not our problem anymore.
What about the other kid?
C'est bon, on a. Ah!
Bordeaux, lui.
The axe! Hurry!
Celui qui a plus de jambes, il s'est fait mort. Il est mort de quand?
Move, move! Shit, it's stuck!
Oh là là, on a donné à lui.
I got him!
Ah, toi, va jouer avec tes cailloux là-bas.
Celui qui a plus de jambes, il s'est fait mort, frère.
Non.
Ah, mais il a bloqué la hache, ok.
Ah, le fils de pute, il sert à rien.
I don't want to hit you!
Oh là 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 là. Oh là, il va me tuer. Oh là, il va me tuer.
J'avais pas compris.
Ça va.
Oh, on va se faire insulter par toute l'équipe.
Thanks.
No problem.
Allez.
We gotta watch
Oh, toi, on
each
va
other's
démarrer.
backs, right?
Quand un truc qui va parler avec toi, on va te démarrer, toi.
Why'd you bring him here in the first place, asshole?
Dad, calm down.
You're gonna get us all
Oh, il le
killed!
défend.
Ah, vas-y, on le
c'est
démarre,
bon.
viens, on le démarre, viens, on le démarre.
Why didn't you tell us he was bitten?
What?
He was bitten, and you didn't say a goddamn word.
But he wasn't bitten, I swear!
Well, your not bitten friend here came back to life and tried to kill my wife.
What? Wait, you all don't know?
What the hell are you talking about?
It's not the bite that does it. You come back no matter how you die. If you don't destroy the brain, that's just what happens. It's gonna happen to all of us.
Tu mens. Non, non, désinfecté, on est désinfecté.
We're all infected? Everyone?
I guess so. I don't know. All I know is that I've seen people turn who I know were never bitten. When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in a gym and everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think, I guess she couldn't take it. She took some pills. A lot of them. Someone went in the girls' room the next morning and... God.
Doug, it works. Of course it works. I told you.
Shit, where'd this string come from?
Watch where you're walking, man.
Who are those people?
I don't know.
Are they the people that raided your camp?
I don't think so. But they all had their faces covered, so I don't know. There's just two of them. We need to make a stand.
No, we have a routine. We don't confront them if we don't have to.
You alright?
Yeah, just getting untangled.
I don't know how you're still alive, man.
Sorry, Lily. We gotta do this. That's far enough.
Oh, shit! Okay. No problem.
Vous êtes armés?
Are you armed?
Ouais.
Yeah, for protection. Dead could be anywhere.
But, I think you got the upper hand here.
What do you need gas for?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out? See if it's legit.
I'll go too. Improve the numbers in case we run into anything dead.
Non.
So, what are y'all thinking?
On va à la ferme?
Ouais.
We
Ouais,
got a
j'arrive.
deal.
Prochain truc.
We'll
je
bring
mange.
some gas to your dairy. In exchange, you give us some food to bring back. We'll see how it goes from there.
Sounds fair. A couple gallons should power one of our generators for a while.
So, this dairy, you guys really have food?
Sure do. We lost most of the cattle, but we still have lots of milk, butter, and cheese stocked up.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
Thanks for coming along, Doug.
Sure. I'd like to get a look at that electric fence they talked about. It might give me some ideas for something I can rig up at the motor inn.
Can an electric fence really stop walkers?
Well, as
Tu
long
fais
as
les
the
grailles
walkers
après?
aren't completely dehydrated, the fence has enough juice. Yeah, it seems plausible.
Dès qu'il y a une sauvegarde,
The
tu-
electricity basically cooks you from the inside out, right?
I guess so.
So, if a walker stays in contact with the fence, it'll eventually cook its brain. Probably takes a while, though. And that can't be a good smell. Unless it smells like jerky. Man, I could go for some jerky.
What's that you got there?
Oh, nothing. It's just a laser pointer I picked up during our last trip to the drugstore.
I mean, thank God Lee showed up when he did. Right, Lee?
Yeah, why don't you tell us a little more about yourself, Lee?
Where are you from?
J'ai grandi à
Motor Inn's my home now, I guess.
Well, that place seen better days, huh?
We've actually made it pretty secure.
I like that alarm system you made. That's pretty smart.
Y'all seem pretty
Ouais, on a
settled
eu un
into that
système
motor
d'alarme.
inn. Who's running things over there?
C'est une démocratie?
Faction.
C'est qui gouverne?
Ah ouais, c'est une démocratie. Ouais.
We work as a group, all of us looking out for each other.
I hear that. There's so many dumbasses out there fighting each other these days. It's just stupid.
How many people you got over there anyway?
Changer le sujet.
Ouais.
Well,
Et il
the
veut
kid
trop
here's
savoir
our
combien on est
newest
là.
arrival, but we're all looking forward to some food. We really need it.
Well, here's to helping each other out. Well, we'd love to get you all out to the dairy. Like I said, we got plenty of food, and quite frankly, we could always use an extra helping hand.
In the summers, I used to help out on a goat farm.
Yeah, that's great. Everything helps.
Mama's been running a dairy for, well, as long as I can remember, but now it's...
You think you're gonna cut me out of this?
Shit, get down.
No one's trying to cut you out of anything.
You and Gary are always pulling this shit.
Bandits.
Don't think we haven't noticed.
Those look like the people who raided
Damn,
my
your
camp.
paranoia's pissing
Who
everyone
are
off.
they?
Fuck you.
Fucking
You knew we were
assholes is
hungry,
what they
and
are.
you guys were keeping it all for
What
yourself.
should we do?
Yeah, and you know what? We ate it all. What are you gonna fucking do about it?
Don't worry, Danny and I got you covered if something happens, but let's just wait this out and hope they move on.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Oh, shit!
Asshole!
Ah, ok.
The world out here has gone to shit. Come on.
Jure,
let's
c'est
get
comme
to
une
the dairy
rencontre.
where it's safe.
Il va à loot le mec?
Attends 2 secondes. C'est une sauvegarde ça?
Sauvegarde.
Vas-y, bah je mange à toute.